Hey Glam fam, I'm Ann McFerrin, founder of Glamnetic, and I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to apply our signature magnetic lashes. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, once you follow these easy steps, you can say hello to longer, fuller, flawless lashes. All Glamnetic lashes have 6 power grip magnets to ensure comfort and durability. And each lash is pre-trimmed to minimize excessive trimming and seamlessly accentuates all eye shapes. It's free of any icks like parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates, mineral oil, oxybentane, hydroquinone, and sulfates. On top of that, it contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance. They're also all vegan and cruelty-free, and they're reusable up to 60 times. Today, I'm wearing Virgo. It's one of our best sellers, and it's a short, wispy, and natural-looking lash that's perfect for the office, school, or brunch. Now you're ready for the fun part. Once you finish the rest of your glam, these lashes are the perfect finishing touch to take your look to the next level. To start, take your Glamnetic magnetic lashes and soften the lash band. We actually have 3 different magnetic eyeliners at Glamnetic, and today I'm going to be using our magnetic liquid eyeliner with an ultra fine tip. Shake well before each use, and like a regular liquid liner, apply it along your upper lash line. Glam tip: make sure your eyeliner is as thick as the magnets. I love to add a wing, but this is totally optional. Let the eyeliner get a bit tacky and wait about 20 seconds until you place your magnetic lashes on top of the liner. To make application easier, look down at a mirror and place the magnetic lash starting from outer corner and adhering towards the inner corner of the eyes. Adjust your lashes as needed and press the band down to make sure it adheres properly. Then follow the same process on your other eye. Voila, you're done! And you're looking gorgeous. See how easy that was? You're ready to rock your new set of lashes. Let me know in the comments which lashes you're going to try.